what did I tell you? That would happen. Basically, what happened is my stupid Bandicam went out because I can only record 10 minutes. And it was like, oh, Josh, you can't record more than 10 minutes, so we're just going to shut you out. Bye. And it was like, wow. So, yeah, that's why I was gone. Sorry. I know you all missed me. Anyways, I want Dale to have something to be happy about when he comes back. Because, you know, I love making people happy. When people smile, it's like, OMG, my day is just brighter than it already was. Like, seriously, if someone tells me, OMG, you made my day, or you made me smile, I'm like overly happy. I don't know why. I just love making people smile. It's like the best feeling in the world. Making someone laugh is like, oh my god, I love it. But, anyways, getting off subject, I will need a crafting table. Put this, or no, let's make 2 crafting tables. Put it in the floors of the, oh yeah, see that? I saw this on a YouTube video one time, and I was like, the heck? Why did they do that? Please explain. Please explain. And, yeah, they do that. And, I don't know, it looks kind of cool. But, here's a door. Bow, chicka, bow, wow. Got the door, and it's a door, and you can open it and close it. But, what was I gonna do? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna replace the floor with wood. Because, I don't want everything to be cobblestone, because it's an eyesore. There's so much coal, yes, I know. But I don't want to collect the coal at the moment. Or, you know, I don't even want to collect the coal, because I have so much coal at home, or at the other houses, that it's just so ridiculously ridiculous that it's ridiculous, okay? So just shut up. Right? God. Anyways, that actually looks kind of good. But, oh god. Oh, I just shifted my leg. I feel like this needs to be wood. And then I take out bam bam. Or you know what? Bam. Bam. And then I go like this. And then I go like this. And then let's light this place up. No, I'm not gonna shoot it up. I'm just gonna light it on fire. What? Nothing. Oh, why would I light my own creation on fire? Seriously, guys, what? Who do you think I am? This is like my Minecraft OCD's kicking in. This is not helping my situation whatsoever. Okay, so, man, why am I getting Skype messages? Hold on. All right, sorry, I had to clear up something. All right, people keep Skype messaging me. I was just answering all of them because I can, and it's a free country. But see, there's another one. But I'm not gonna answer it because you guys are more important. Even though I do love Nick. And he's messaging me again. I'm about to smack him. Anyways, for Nick, I swear to God. Oh my God, I'm gonna murder Nick. I think I should just go offline on Skype. But I lost track. Oh yeah, gonna be cutting down some trees because I need wood. You wanna go? Push you out in the sunlight that you can burn. Whoa. Dodge that like a pro. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna collect some wood. And I'm gonna do some stuff with it. Don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but I will do something with it. I totally forgot what I had. I am so off track right now, it is not even funny. Okay. I got a 64 stack and a something stack. I don't know, I'm not paying attention. Let's just make a little staircase right. No! Staircase right here. But bam! My dick, sucker. Okay. But what I'm gonna do right here. Let's put that right here. Put those right here. And then oh my god, I love it. I love it. It's such an amazing idea. I love it. I'm gonna make a bunch of couches, so it makes the house all sparkly. Yay. I just went full-blown homosexual right there. Okay, I might not need that. And bam, bam. Okay, I gotcha. So that covers that part of the thing. I'm gonna need some signs. I need a chest, that's what I need. Because I need to put some crap in it. Yeah, I'm gonna need a lot more than one chest. Gonna need at least 2. I don't know where to put it. Let's just put it right here. Put all the stuff I don't need in it that I'm not using for the house. Like all that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. Wait, no, I might use that. And, yeah. So now that that's done, I might as well make me and Dale's rooms. Or Dale and I's rooms. Or whatever. God, shut up. Sorry, I just kind of exploded right there. But, let's put... The thing I like with the new update is you get 3 signs in one. And it's like, oh my god! Oh my god! And then you just make another one, like that. And now you got 6 signs, but you really only use the equivalent of 2. Aw. Science. Bam. Bam. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end the recording here because I really don't know when it's going to stop. I don't want to end it on a note where I'm like, ah! So, I'll see you guys in the next episode. I think we're coming up on 4? Yes, I believe 4. Okay, so see you guys later.